Hello everyone, welcome to Advanced Python Programming Tutorial. Today we are going to learn about installation of Python and setting environment variable. I will be showing you how to set up environment variable along with Python installation. So let's see. We will begin with setting environment variable path in Python. Why to do this? There are two reasons. Adding Python to path makes it possible for you to run or use Python from your command prompt. In short, you can run your code from the Python shell by just typing Python in the command prompt. Two ways, at the time of installation and by adding path to environment variable. So let's see how to do what to do at the time of installation. So at the time of installation, when we click on the Python installation file, in that case, see here, add Python to exe path. So here we need to check this, okay, and then click on install now. So when we click on install now, our application starts installation. See, this is the Python installation file. I will be clicking on this. Now I have checked add Python exe to path and then install now. The setup will progress and after some time we will get our Python installed. Now by adding Python path to environment variable, that is manually you can add Python path to an environment variable as so we will open any variable browser, then right click on this PC, then properties, and see here advanced system settings. We will click on that. Then this is the system property and environment variable is here. See, then we will click on environment variable. There are two types of variable, user variable and system variable. We will be talking about environment variable path. So this, double click on this, open, and now we have to add environment variable path here. So here we are going to copy. Okay, so what to copy? Let's see. This PC, we will click on this PC, then local disk C, then users, then JNC IT. You may have student, right? Then in that we will, the local app data is a hidden folder, so we need to type in the browser here. So app data, then local, then we need to find the programs. So see, here is the programs, then Python, and then Python file as Python 311, and then copy this complete address, and now we will put it in the environment variable. So here we will paste it and we'll say okay. Okay, click on okay. See here the path is added, fine. So okay, then okay, click on the okay, and that's it. So environment variable is added. Now to check whether environment variable got added or not, we will open command prompt, then we will type here Python. So Python, enter, and now we have entered in the Python. We can run various Python commands. So let's run one command as print hello and just enter. We will get hello message, right? So to come out of this, we need to use Control Z, enter. We will come out of the Python shell. So this is the way that we can install the Python and we can add the environment variable. Thank you all for watching this video.